Hello everyone. Okay, that's time. I'm gonna show you how to make this anchor bolt. Okay, this is the wall for the bath, for this shower, a standing shower, and then that's the wall. This is the wall. This is the back. The entrance is there. All right. So I just want to make sure it's strong. It stick to the floor. It won't move. Okay, anchor bolt is the solution. All right. So maybe one and two, and that's it. Two bolts, and then screw to that side there. It's gonna be strong. Okay. Okay, it's go through the slab, okay? The hole go through the slab. So now the anchor bolt. Anchor bolt. So this one is 3/8 by 3 inches. Look at this. It's really strong. Alright? So your wall, it won't move. It will stick to the floor. Look at that. And even to this, because there's another wood on top, and then the stud on top of that other wood. One more there. So this is the base. The most important, the wall. It should be level, straight. So it won't have create any problem when installing the tiles. Okay, so it doesn't look good when the wall is leaning to other side. Alright, should be straight. Then screw to the side there, then screw here. Wow, it's really strong. There you go. Alright, level. I notice it, this is not a level. Okay? Level, and then if it is not level, level up with some leveler concrete. It's not. So this one is down here, down a little bit, and I need to lift it up a little bit. This one here is the top one. It's okay. You need to level up this one by using self-leveler concrete. It's not make a cement, and it will level by itself. It's just like a watery cement, and then when it's dry, it's really hard, and then it's level by itself. Wow, nice. And then I can put the stand there, stand here. And the drywall for this is, the buckyboard is totally different. Size of the buckyboard is 32 by 60 inches. 32 and the 60 inches. And your stud and your wood should be exactly the same size as the width. The width should be 32, and then the height, it doesn't matter, it's just like a 60 inches. Okay, wood here, normal, every corner, there's a wood. Okay, 2 wood or 1. Alright, so the important is the drywall should be, there's a wood on both sides and then in the middle too, the rest. Okay. So another wood on the top here. Another wood. So that's a 5 feet. Yeah, that's 5 feet. Alright. So on top of the wood, another wood. And then I can attach the start. This kind of high, really high. 8 feet all the way. From the floor, 8 feet. No distraction, no box at all. Okay. It's really nice. No box. Okay. Alright, so I gotta put the stud now, okay? So the 32, the width is 32. One here, one in the middle, and then the 32. Okay. I think it will. Not seeing that thing. Alright, so there's another wood. Okay. The in between is 16. Level it. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Here. Nice. Nice. Alright. Bottom here. Perfect. Wow, wow, wow. And one in the middle here. Perfect. Almost done. Oh, the top one. Don't forget the top one. Level it. Okay, little bit. Perfect. Straight, right? Straight. Nice. And then one more in the middle, the 32. Perfect. Wow. Nice. Take the two. kind of short a little bit, just a little bit. The 32 in here, and then screw. Perfect. Perfect. Nice. Done. The 32 from here to the wall and just here in between here. That's a 32 and the rest is not exactly 32. Okay everyone, it's a wall. Okay everyone, thank you for watching there. Thank you so much and see you. Bye bye.